Show how your product comes together with interactive 3D step-by-step guides. Instead of static diagrams, photos, or long videos, give your audience a 3D guide they can rotate, zoom, and explore from any angle. Put them in control and make every step clear and easy to understand. Sales teams can use it to explain complex features. Customer support can guide users through the right assembly or troubleshooting process. Show clients not only the visible parts, but also the internal components and how they work together, whether it's industrial or consumer products. In Vectary Studio, creating step-by-step manuals is fast. Add a floating interface to explain each part. Add exploded views and motion to show assemblies in action. Connect it all with hotspots, buttons, or switch camera angles. No coding required. And because every 3D viewer works online, they open on any device. Users can tap, swipe, or click to interact. Perfect for onboarding, customer support, and training materials, all in one interactive 3D space.